In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue in GeForce where you get the error unable to download recommended driver. So this is a quick and easy one to fix. We first just need to head over to our start menu and we're going to search for run and then head over to the run app. Inside of here, we need to type in %, local app data %, and hit enter. And then scroll all the way down until you find the NVIDIA Corporation folder. And we need to come inside of here. Open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience folder. And we need to delete this folder here, which is called CEF cache. So we're just going to right click on this folder and select the trash icon. And this is now going to delete the folder and we can close out of this window. And next thing you'll need to do is head over to our start menu, search for programs, and then come over to add or remove programs. Now from this list of applications, we need to find GeForce. So we can either use this search feature at the top here, or you can just scroll down your list of applications to find this NVIDIA GeForce. Then we're going to come over to these three little dots here, and you need to select uninstall, and then we can press uninstall to confirm. So you just need to give this a few seconds to complete, and you'll get a confirmation message pop up here, so we can just press uninstall. And then once that's been completely removed, all we need to do is head over to an internet browser, come over to a search engine like Google, and we're going to search for GeForce Experience Download, and hit enter. And then come over to this top search result here. And then we're just going to press this download now button. And once this application's finished downloading, we can then just double click on it. And you'll need to give this a few seconds to launch up. And then just agree to the terms and conditions and press install. And then once that's finished installing, GeForce should automatically launch on your computer. And that should have fixed any error messages you were experiencing. Now, if you did find this video useful, I'd appreciate if you could drop a comment and like below. Until next time.